Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of GBPUSD for Friday before the NFP. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. And if you also trade on other pairs like Gold USD, Euro USD, please do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel as well. I have not been uploading videos on GBP, JPY, USD, JPY, so only Euro USD and Gold USD for Friday. I'll be back on track from next week. Okay. Anyways, this is the 4-hour chart of GBP USD in front of us right now, and as we all know that Euro USD has crossed every support and made new lows here. But in comparison to the chart of Euro USD, we can see GBP USD looks much more stable. If you have watched my yesterday's video, then hopefully you made good profit, and most importantly, the setup of GBPUSD has not changed at all. If we just focus on the present trend of GBPUSD, then we can see it clearly that more or less this is a sideways market as of now. GBPUSD is trying to hold the market here. Okay, though we are not seeing some strong upside on the market, but yes, we are also not witnessing heavy sell-off as well. Okay, so as a result, okay, GBPUSD is sideways. But keep in mind, this market, okay, the overall world market is very sensitive right now because of the crisis between Russia and Ukraine, and moreover, we have NFP coming up. And as we all know, NFP is a huge market driving event. Okay, market gets extremely volatile, especially the USD pairs. If we look at the economic calendar here, then we can see that around 6 hours 35 minutes left for the NFP. So be careful with your positions, especially US dollar positions. And so considering the war between Russia and Ukraine and the NFP, my dear friends, if you are still not using strict risk management, please use proper risk management. Please use proper stop loss, because in this market condition, trading without stop loss is suicidal. Don't make the mistake. Respect your capital, respect your hard-earned money. And see, these are all my analysis. I can be wrong as well, so please use proper risk management as well. Okay, so let's talk about the chart now. So we have a strong support. Okay, we have a strong support around 1.3270 to 1.3250. So considering the present sideways market, okay, sideways setup on GBP USD, we can expect that if market comes down to this particular level, we can hope for a bounce. Yes, we can hope that market will bounce from here. If market bounces, if we see good bounce, good price rejection from below, we can definitely take a buy position. But yes, observation will be very important, because as I said, this is a news driven market right now. So if market comes down to this level, observe the market and see. If we see that price is being rejected from below, if we see a hammer kind of a candlestick pattern or a bullish pin bar kind of a pattern, we get the confirmation that yes, this support is still valid and we can take a buy position. But yes, confirmation will be extremely important. But on the other hand, instead of confirmation like this, if we see that market has reached the support but still the selling pressure is very high, if we see that at the support market is still forming big fat red candles, that means that it is a sign of danger. Selling pressure is too high, and in that case, instead of taking a buy position, wait for the market to react. Okay, if we see that market is crossing the support with big fat red candle, means volume, but the volume hamesha chahiye. So if we see that market is crossing the support, breaking the support with good amount of volume, that means that okay, the support is gone and we can take a sell position as well. So observation at 1.3270 3250 will be very important for everyone. So यहाँ पे हमें देखना पड़ेगा अच्छे से this level. ठीक है? If market goes up from here, okay, if market goes up from here, we have resistance around 1.3430 to 1.3450. This level is our resistance for the market, but we can see that market is Market is slowly and slowly unable to cross the previous highs here. Okay, so if market goes up also, we can expect good amount of selling pressure. Okay, good. If we see market going up and coming down, okay, coming down from the resistance level, if we see a shooting star kind of a pattern, good price rejection from above, it gives us the confirmation that yes, sellers are still present in the market and we can take a sell position as well. And to be honest, personally, okay, I'll say that considering all the factors in the market, taking a sell position is much safer. I think taking a sell position is much safer in comparison to taking a buy position. So if possible, try to look for sell positions only, क्योंकि वो ज़्यादा safe है. Okay. And moreover, okay, the 50 moving average, the 50 moving average, the blue line is also coming down. So possibly if market tries to recover also, the blue line, the 50 moving average will try to act as dynamic resistance in the market. So once market hits the 50 moving average, we can expect a sell position again. If we see shooting star kind of a pattern, price rejection from above, we can also take a sell position. So these are the trading opportunities on the chart of GBP USD for Friday that I see. If you think that I have missed anything, please write down in the comments section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye, take care, see ya tomorrow, and please use proper risk management. MNFP is coming up and Russia or Ukraine war to chali raha hai. Bye bye.